Today's video is basically addressing the issue of sunburn. Apple cider vinegar is very acidic, like way too acidic for your face. You can't apply apple cider vinegar directly to your face. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nalo Ifoma, and simply call me Oma Emerald or just Oma. That will be fine, that will be fine. And if this is your first time of stopping by my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. It's your girl and you're welcome to this family. And for my returning subscribers who always review you, thank you for having been my support all this year. Like, sincerely, I am grateful. So without wasting much of your time, just go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed to my channel. And what we'll be talking about on this video, today's video, is basically addressing the issue of sunburn. Yes. So if this is what you want to see, if this is kind of video you really want to watch for today, just go ahead and keep watching till the end. Like, listen to the tips and also listen to the home remedies which I'm going to be dishing out on this channel, like in this video. So let's dive into it. So this home remedy is to help you first of all rejuvenate your skin and also exfoliate out the dead skin cells all around your face before you add any other product you want to add. But before you do anything, you need to go through with this home remedy. It is really important, and they are all living foods. So if you're having a darker skin tone on your face or you have sunburn, it means you are photosensitive. Like, your face, your body is photosensitive. And how do people get this photosensitive? How do they get their body being photosensitive? It is from using, so many of the products people use and so many of the different kind of DIYs people make use of, especially the products that are acidic, really acidic to your face. And most people do this even without knowing that this is acidic to their face. It's that bad. So as you use those kind of products, those acidic products on your face, it exposes you to the sun damage, the UV rays, the ultraviolet rays that causes more damage to your skin. So once you go out under the sun, you will still get sunburn. So if you don't really work on the products you're using, or if you don't pay attention to this after doing what you want to do, you still go outside and you still get your face burned by the sun. And yes, there's a video I dropped yesterday or 2 days ago on the 10 days raw vegetable juicing. I'm going through, this is the second day of it, and I'm so excited to share it with you. You need to go and watch that video, seriously, so that while you're trying to work on your face, also try to work from within. And mind you, what you eat plays a lot, like a whole role in trying to kill you or in trying to make you or make your skin glow. So not just applying on your face, you need to glow from within too. Let me say all this long talk. I can talk too much sometimes, especially when I'm excited, having you people all around me like. Okay, talking about some of the DIYs, I just want to mention one product so that like an example, the ACNE, that's apple cider vinegar people use, and I'm still going to be using it on this channel too. Apple cider vinegar is very acidic, like way too acidic for your face. You can't apply apple cider vinegar directly to your face without diluting it with something, that milk, water, without diluting it. You should not apply directly to your face. The pH level of apple cider vinegar on the pH chart is between 2 to 3, which is really acidic, and the pH level of the human face is between 4.5 to 5.5. so we are slightly acidic and slightly basic. So it is really important you watch what you apply on your face, what you eat, as well what you apply on your skin. So you need to know the pH level of what you're doing and pH level of your skin. So please don't go overboard with everything you do. Just make sure you do your research, make sure you know what you're doing to yourself, so that you will not worsen the case thinking you're trying to make things better. So I hope this little explanation I made without going deep into, because I don't like spending so much time before the camera here. I'm making people waste much time. So I just hope that this little explanation explains something and gives more understanding to what we're about to do and to whatever you're going to be learning on YouTube, apart from this channel, in other channels. Like, I hope your eyes have been opened. So without wasting much of our time, let's just get right into it. Now, the ingredients I'm going to be using for this home remedy are living foods, and I want us to use them in their living states. And one of the ingredients is milk. Milk is very good. Like, it is really good in helping to exfoliate dead skin. Even if you feel milk is not rough, like, it's a very good exfoliator. So that's one of the ingredients we'll be using for this remedy. And mind you, please caution before I go. In fact, it skipped my mind. While doing this, please don't go ahead and use sponge to scrub your face. You're going to cause more damage to your face. Please just obey, just follow the instruction I'm going to give on this video, and then you're going to be lasting for 7 to 10 days. This remedy is going to be lasting for 7 to 10 days. You're going to be doing it for 7 to 10 days before you go ahead to maybe apply any other product you want to apply. But this is going to really help you reset your face to be able to accept whatever it is that is going to come on your face. So with that being said, and is there anything I want to say? I don't think so. So with that being said, and we've been on the same table, let's get right into it. And before you forget, please subscribe if you've not subscribed, like this video if you've not liked this video, share this video if you've not shared this video, and also watch my other videos. Like, watch my videos, you will learn a lot of things on this channel. I bet you. Okay, let's get into it. So here we have our ingredient to be using: tomatoes, and tomatoes are really good for the face. Tomatoes contains this component called the lycopene. So the lycopene in fresh tomatoes can help in protecting our skin from the UV damages and that are being caused by the sunburn. Then our milk, like I said earlier, I've already explained about the milk. Then we have our turmeric. Like, turmeric is a very good root you can use actually for your face and your inner health. It's even among the things I'm drinking now. Then we have the honey, which is a very good moisturizer for your face. So we've got the perfect combination we'll be needing for this sunburn home remedy. So you need a container, that's a mixing bowl, and a blender. So with that being said, the next thing to do in your blender, we're going to be blending our tomatoes, but we're not going to be blending it with any water. The only water we'll be adding in this is just a little water we're going to be using to rinse out the tomato pulp. And then in our mixing container, you add in your milk. And I told you earlier that milk has a very good benefit on the face, especially in the exfoliation, and it contains vitamin A and D, which are antioxidants, and which can also help to assist healing your skin from those sunburn. And the lactic acid in milk can help to exfoliate some of the dead skin cells, from your skin. So when you put about 2 spoons of this, and then you go ahead and scoop in your honey, about half a teaspoon of honey. So this mixture is going to last us for about 5 days or so if you're going to refrigerate it in the refrigerator, like if you're going to freeze it. So you add that, and you go ahead and add your turmeric. Like I said earlier, turmeric can really help you in removing sunburns, and it can also help in restoring your face natural glow. Like, sunburn is very bad. Like, it makes you look like, I don't know, ew. So you go ahead and add about a spoon of your turmeric into that mixture, and this is what we have here, our mixture of milk, turmeric, and honey. And you go ahead and you stir it really well. This is what we actually need. Like, these things are really very good. So we just go ahead even to blend our tomatoes. You're going to blend it, like I said earlier, we are not going to be using water, so we're going to blend this and blend it really well. Make sure that during this process of healing, you drink a lot of water. Always stay hydrated, people. Like, always stay hydrated. Water has a role to play inside of you. So after blending the fresh tomato, we use just 1 tomato. You pour it into that mixture of the turmeric, and if you look into our blender, you see we still have like really good pulp of tomatoes still remaining in there. That's why we were needing to add, we need to rinse it out instead of wasting it away. And yeah, just add a little, just something little water, just to help you rinse out the pulp into, pour it into the container, and you go ahead and you mix. Like I talked about earlier, honey is very good. Like, it helps to moisturize the skin while treating it, and the moisture in honey is being absorbed by your skin, which brings the swelling and those redness down. It also helps to provide the nutrients your body need, even to help to rebuild the broken tissues, the dead cells rather. So you can use tissue after mixing this whole thing. At this point, it is ready to be used, people. You can use this on your face with your tissue, cotton bud, or your hand self, or your brush. Use it, apply it on your face, and you're good to go. But if you don't want to do that and you still have something remaining, you can freeze it in your ice cube. Like this ice cube is very, very good for the freezing. And at this point, it's been frozen. I left it for hours in the refrigerator, so it's froze. I'm going to be using one, and those white ones you see by the side are the rice face mask, the rice face scrub I made the other time. Like this rice face scrub has really helped my face, so check out my videos. You're going to learn how to make that rice face scrub. So here we are. Just wash your face, and you go ahead and apply this to your face. Gently scrub it around your face, because even the coldness from the ice cubes will help to soothe those parts that sunburn. While making those, please just try to make sure you target the affected areas. If you would not want to just target the affected areas and apply it on the affected areas. And you're going to leave this on your face for just about 7 to 10 minutes or 12 minutes. Then you just rinse it out and use a good moisturizer. Like coconut oil can be good, avocado oil, or use something good on your face. And that was what this can really stain your hand and your clothes, so you might consider wearing something else, like something darker, or except you want to condemn that clothes because of the presence of the turmeric in it. So this is it, and it's going to help you. Like, remember I said it's going to be lasting for the next 7 to 10 days. Please, before you start applying any other treatment to your face, make sure you always stay hydrated. Make sure you always oh my god, like, you're going to be fine. All right, you're going to be really, really good after this 10 days. So people, I must tell you the honest truth. You just saw the procedure and you just saw how to apply it. Like I said in whilst explaining it, if you're making for a batch, just make for just maybe 1 week, 7 days, or the 10 days, and you store it in your ice cubes in your refrigerator. This is going to help you too, so that whenever you want to get it, to pick out an ice and you apply, and that coldness also help to soothe your face. But if you don't have a refrigerator, you can just do that for every day you produce this and you apply on your face. Every day you do that until the 7 to 10 days, like minimum of 7 days, maximum of 10 days, like at least, for you to, before you do any other thing. So that is just, don't say I don't have a refrigerator, so this is not for me. It is for you. It is for you. If you don't have a refrigerator, you can just go ahead and, after producing it, like you just saw, you use a cotton pad. It's not really advisable to use tissue, but since we're doing it for the face, you can work with that. You can use your cotton. Best is use your cotton pad or your brush. Use a brush to apply it, or you could use your hand. You use your hand and you apply it to wash your face, as you just saw in the video. So that is it. Like I always say, apart from God, the next thing you should prioritize is your health and your family before your job, your school, your desires and plans will come after. And yes, this brings us to the end of today's video. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more of my videos, and don't forget to share, don't forget to like, don't forget to do whatever it is. Comment, please, just comment in the comment section below, so that I will know that you're feeling what I am saying. If you have questions, you have the kind of videos you want me to make, you just do well to place them in the comment section and I will do my best. Someone requested for the black soap. Okay, so I'm going to be working on that. Once I clear what's on my table, I'm going to be working on showing you the best black soap you can use for your face, for your body. And I'm going to be also teaching us how to make lotions and oils. Like in this channel, on this channel, I got you covered for your hair, your meals, your overall health, your entertainment, your skin. So that is it. I'm still Oma. I care about you, and I'm going to see you in the next video. And know that always, sincerely from my heart, I love you, but God loves you best. Bye bye.